Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So yesterday I was sick, so I couldn't post any videos, and in fact who knows, I'm having this new BF.7 variant, and I am having all the symptoms what they are saying. Like they are saying upper respiratory infection, fever, sore throat, runny nose and cough. So all symptoms I have. Only God knows whether I'm having BF.7 or not, right? Anyway, we'll give some samples tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow, and we'll check it out whether we are having symptoms or not. But what we can do, right? We cannot shut the shop, right? This is our bread and butter. We have to trade, we have to post videos, whether it is World War 3 or coronavirus or whatsoever. We have to keep running, right? In fact, I have to keep running. If I start morning 7 o'clock till 10, 11, even till 2 o'clock, I have to run. So that's how we are. What else to do? And looking at the markets, I am sure if you are following me or if you are new to this channel, in our previous videos, I told that markets are likely going to consolidate. And of course, thanks to our health minister for issuing warning. In fact, PM also, I think he made a urgent meeting about this coronavirus. And our PM told that to conduct lots of testing, right? So Bank Nifty, if you see at Bank Nifty is at crucial support level. So this is the drawing which we made in our previous video. So 41,800 was very crucial, and Bank Nifty, as I talked to you, is at around 41,668. Now this is because of China's new variant of BF.7. And of course, there is panic in the market. In fact, India VIX has shot more than 16.5. In fact, today alone, India VIX is up by 6.39%. So last month and all, I think November month and all, it was below 15. It was a good time. But now what has happened is it is above 16,000. It is above 16. It is above 15. So that is not a bad news. But what is going to happen is it is time for option buyers. Maybe option buyers can make some money. And even though Bank Nifty is not actually, Bank Nifty is performing. It's kind of okay when you compare it with Nifty. Nifty is gone below 18,000. You know that 18,000 is a crucial support for Nifty, and it has been decisively taken out today. It tried to go above 18,000, but it was not able to go above 18,000. Bears were so strong, and if you ask me what is going to be the next support, maybe around 17,500. We are just 300 points away from 17,500. 17,500, 17,400 is what is the level I am looking at, and that is evident in open interest also. You can see people writing huge number of call option. In fact, PCR is at 0.8, means huge number of call writing is being happening at 18,000. 18,000. So that in that way, if you see this bar, this is 18,000 bar where people have written adequate or good number of calls are being written at 18,000. And on the downside, if you can see 17,500, as I told you, 17,500, that can act as a support. That's why people are writing some puts at 17,500, right? And that is Nifty. And Bank Nifty, I think around people are also writing huge number of calls at 42,000. So 42,000 can act as a resistance, and on the downward trajectory, they are writing somewhere around 41,000 and 40,000, 40,500, so on and so forth. But PCR is at 8. PCR is at 0.09, which means huge calls are being written in Bank Nifty, or even in Bank Nifty, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. People are writing call options. So that is how the markets are. And US markets are also kind of consolidating for the last 2 days. If I could remember, yesterday it was down by more than 400 or 450 points, and this is happening when our markets are bearish, right? when US markets were bearish, our market were bullish, right? I think last Wednesday or last Thursday, if I'm not wrong, Dow Jones was down by 600 points, 600, 700 points, or even 800 points, and our markets were SGX Nifty was flat. So what happened next day? It slightly gapped down 0.5%. Then immediately what we saw was market going on the higher side. This is how the markets are looking, and hopefully we should consolidate a little more once this corona issue, new variant of corona things have disappeared or factored into. Market may bounce back. Usually I'm a bear. I always say to short the market, but I'm not shorting the market this time, and I'm not going to short the market anytime soon also. So let us see how things pan out. Otherwise everything is okay. As I talk to you, US futures are all flat. What I can see is US future, S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, everything is flat, almost flat, and Europe is also flat. So in spite, I think that this new corona this new corona thing is not gone to US, right? This BF.7 variant has not gone to US or Europe. If it had gone, then now it would have been a chaos. So this is the US market. This is the snapshot of US market for you. And what I can see is Dow Jones is down. Dow future is up by 85 points. S&P, Nasdaq, everything is up. DAX, CAC, FTSE, everything is flat. So nothing to worry. We'll have to wait and see how things pan out. Only problem is India VIX is very high, and people used to, last month and all, people used to cry. Like India VIX is very low, premiums are very, very cheap, we are not able to manage. Now they will start complaining, India VIX is very high, premiums are very high, markets are moving like anything. So this is how the markets are, right? Whether we like it or not, we'll have to live with this. So that's how the markets are. This is going to be a good weekend, and this is the last week of this year 2023, and I can tell you 2022 was a very, very tough year. It's going to be it was really a pain this year. Hopefully this pain will finish this year itself, and going forward we should expect a stable and steady market. See, as an option seller, I can tell you that if the markets are stable, let it move 400, 500 points, that is not an issue. Where you will face problem as an option seller is that when the market gap ups or gap downs heavily. Now, if you recall 2022, there has been instance where Nifty or Bank Nifty has gapped down more than 450 points, 400 points, 300 points, 500 points. Bank Nifty has gapped down 800, 900, 1000 points. So this was a very, very tough year. So going forward, I hope this should not continue. Market should stabilize. Market should be post pre-COVID levels, right? Market movements, volatility should be pre-COVID levels. Then only option sellers will make money. Let's hope for the best. And I don't want to bore you much. I'll finish here. I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.